How to fix PC freezes randomly. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first go to your start menu and then go to sleep and power settings. After that, go to power mode and then select best performance. Also on battery, go to best performance and this will make your PC run for better performance and efficiency. After that, go to your start menu and then go to settings. Now go to apps. Go to installed apps. Simply uninstall all the bulky and unnecessary applications that you have installed. This will also free up some space and make your PC efficient. Next, go to your file manager and then all the unnecessary and junk folders and files. Will free up some space and make your PC efficient and the lagging problem or freezing problem will fix. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.